So you might be in a position where your iPhone is just randomly turning off all the time. So maybe it just randomly started now, or maybe it's been going on for a while. Well, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is understanding first, have you recently randomly threw your phone, dropped your phone really hard, or anything like that, and now it started happening like that? Well, if that ended up being the case, there's really not much you can do. You just have to go and send your iPhone to repair. However, if it's a random thing and you don't know why it's happening, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if there's an update available for your phone. So go through and make your way over to your system settings on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see General, and you want to scroll over until you see Software Update. Now you want to go and see if there's an update available. And what I would recommend doing is clicking Download and Install, and then just turning off your phone, just clicking the side button and letting it download and install in the background. Sometimes if your screen is on, there can be a little glitch where it will just keep restarting your phone. But if your screen is off, that may help install the update, because if it's randomly restarting, there's a chance it may restart if you're downloading it. But try your best at getting this update to install. If not, you can try updating via your computer. That's a little bit better of an idea, but that's the first thing I'd recommend doing. On top of that, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going back into your system settings here. You want to scroll down until you see battery right here, and what you want to do is click battery health, and you want to take note of your battery health right there. If your battery health is under 80%, that may be the reason why your specific iPhone is continuing to restart, and it's because it's just not having that great of a battery capacity, and it'll just keep restarting. Even if it may restart and may give you better battery life, but that can sometimes happen. So make sure your specific device doesn't have, some random issues like that. And if the battery capacity is low, then that may end up, being the issue. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing I recommend doing is making sure your phone isn't jailbroken or anything like that. If you installed a jailbreak or if you installed some random mods on your iPhone, that can also cause some issues. So that may end up causing some issues there. But ultimately, the other thing I would recommend doing is if it's just restarting and you don't think it's because of a hardware defect, you don't think it's because you dropped your phone or whatever, really your only other choice is to make a backup of your phone, so back up all your data, and then basically just go through and reset your phone. So go into your system settings here only after you back up all your data, because it's going to delete everything off your phone. Scroll down, click transfer reset iPhone, click erase all content and settings, and that could end up fixing the situation as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.